Female robots are robotic entities that are designed to resemble or embody female characteristics, either in appearance, behavior, or both. These robots can serve a variety of purposes, from entertainment and companionship to practical tasks in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, or customer service. In 2023, Hiroshi Ishiguro unveiled Erika, the first robot news anchor on national TV. Erika possesses conversational abilities, facial tracking, and reading skills. With a voice akin to a 23-year-old, she adeptly processes sound and conversations. Driven by advanced AI, Erika learns from interactions and excels in language processing. Although lacking limbs, she utilizes infrared sensors to monitor movement. Erika's potential applications span various fields, including healthcare, education, customer service, and public spaces. Unveiled in 2021, Ameca represents a pinnacle in humanoid robotics, incorporating microphones, binocular cameras, and cutting-edge facial recognition capabilities. Tailored as a dedicated platform for advancing future robotics technologies, Ameca stands out as an ideal humanoid robot for facilitating human-robot interaction. Its hardware is the result of extensive research in humanoid robotics, leveraging our sophisticated Mesmer technology. Ameca provides a versatile foundation for testing and developing artificial intelligence and machine learning systems, seamlessly integrated with a robust Tritium robot operating system. Next, we introduce Sara, an innovative creation born in the heart of Saudi Arabia. Sara is a versatile robot with the ability to dance, respond to inquiries, and converse in various Arabic dialects. This remarkable robotic marvel made its debut on the global stage at a conference in Riyadh in March 2023. Nadine, developed by Nanyang Technological University, showcases advanced social intelligence capable of expressing emotions and interacting through arm movements. Nadine is a humanoid robot developed in 2013 by Rokoro in Japan. It has realistic skin, hair, and hands. Its software and new hands were created at NTU, Singapore, and now at the University of Geneva. Nadine is socially smart, greeting people, making eye contact, and recalling past chats. It can respond to questions in different languages, display emotions through gestures and facial expressions, and recognize people it's met before. Nadine's personality changes based on interactions, and it has 27 degrees of freedom for facial expressions and body movements. It helps by reading stories, showing pictures, organizing online sessions, sending emails, and talking to family members. Nadine can also serve as a receptionist or personal mentor. Sophia, introduced by Henson Robotics in 2016, emerges as a pioneering figure in the realm of robotics. Notably, she achieved the milestone of being the first robot to receive citizenship and draws inspiration from the timeless grace of Audrey Hepburn. Initially envisioned for tasks like elderly care and crowd management, Sophia has captivated widespread attention from both the public and the media. Earning a prominent place in news coverage, Sophia made her debut at the 2016 South by Southwest (SXSW) exhibition and has since evolved into a global media icon. Her engagements with notable personalities on platforms like CNBC and appearances on renowned television programs such as CBS 60 Minutes, The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, and Good Morning Britain have reached extensive audiences. Furthermore, Sophia has taken center stage as a keynote speaker and panelist at various international conferences and events, including those hosted by ITU and the United Nations. Sophia's impact transcends her media presence. She has been prominently featured in Audi's annual report and graced the cover of Elle magazine. Of significant note, Sophia holds the distinction of being designated as the first innovation champion by the United Nations Development Programme, marking her as the inaugural non-human recipient of a UN title. Recognizing her groundbreaking contributions to robotics, Sophia was honored with an Edison Award in 2018. Despite her accolades, Sophia's outspoken remarks have occasionally stirred controversy. Within the healthcare sector, Grace, the sibling of Sophia, specializes in providing assistance to individuals suffering from degenerative brain diseases. Amidst the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, Grace has emerged as a crucial ally in supporting isolated individuals. Leveraging advanced AI capabilities, she aids in diagnosis and communicates fluently in Mandarin, Cantonese, and English. Adorned in a blue nurse's uniform, Grace possesses distinct Asian features, collar-length brown hair, and a thermal camera embedded in her chest. This camera serves the vital function of detecting a patient's temperature and pulse, aiding doctors in diagnosing illnesses and administering treatments. Grace harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to conduct patient diagnoses, assess responsiveness, and utilize the thermal camera for vital signs detection, enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of healthcare interventions. Desdemona, an innovative creation from Hanson Robotics, seamlessly merges art and technology through her ability to craft spoken poetry in response to cultural cues and music. Often referred to as Desi, she stands as a humanoid robot and serves as the lead vocalist of the Jam Galaxy Band. Conceived by the renowned master artist and roboticist David Hanson and his skilled team, Desi operates on the combination of music and electricity. Her mission is to propagate the belief that AI can bring about positive change in the creative arts, aiming to inspire a brighter future. As the sister of the renowned Sophia Robot, Desi collaborates with her bandmates, including AI scientist Benjamin Goetzel on keyboards and Jam Galaxy CEO Diane Krause on saxophone, to deliver captivating performances to audiences worldwide. At their live shows, Desi mesmerizes audiences with her AI-generated spoken word poetry and musical talents. Beyond entertainment, the band is committed to revolutionizing the music industry through decentralized systems and blockchain technology, underscoring their vision for a more inclusive and innovative future. With her uplifting message and distinctive perspective, Desdemona embarks on a journey to empower artists and humanity, fostering hope and optimism for what lies ahead. In a groundbreaking collaboration between Hanson Robotics and Dictator, a Polish company, the world saw the appointment of Mika as the first humanoid robot CEO in November 2023. Mika utilizes cutting-edge AI and machine learning technologies to drive data-driven decision-making processes. Developed as a joint research endeavor between Dictator and Hanson Robotics, Mika's appointment signifies a significant advancement in the integration of robotics and corporate governance. Notably, Dictator announced via social media on 31st October that Mika was honored with the title of Honorary Professor during the 2023-24 Collegium Humanum University inauguration in Warsaw, Poland. Further underscoring her pioneering role in robotics and academia. Alice, also referred to as Eva, was developed in 2008 by Hanson Robotics for MIRLab in Geneva, Switzerland. This female robot possesses an emotionally expressive face, designed to support cognitive robotics research at the University of Geneva. As a member of the Indigo Cognitive Robotics Consortium, which counts Hanson Robotics as a founding member, Alice plays a pivotal role in advancing humanoid development. With her innovative rubber skin and underlying servo motors, Alice can simulate a wide range of human-like facial expressions, enabling her to convey emotions such as sadness, anger, shock, and pleasure with remarkable fluidity and precision. As evidenced by researchers' videos, Alice's cheeks, mouth, eyes, and eyebrows move dynamically, allowing her to communicate human reactions effectively. Interestingly, Alice has found an unexpected role as an actress in theatrical productions, showcasing her versatility beyond her original research purposes. Bina 48 or Breakthrough Intelligence via Neural Architecture 48 is a humanoid robot characterized by a bust-like head and shoulders affixed to a frame, capable of producing lifelike facial expressions through 30 motors beneath her rubber skin. Developed by Henson Robotics and introduced in 2010, Bina 48 represents a technological rendition of a human, commissioned by Martine Rothblatt, a millionaire seeking to replicate the appearance of her spouse of over 35 years, Bina Rothblatt. Bina 48 is equipped with a database containing numerous books, enabling her to recite passages when prompted. Currently situated at the non-profit Terasa Movement Foundation, Incorporated. Bina 48 engages in conversations with humans, sharing anecdotes such as providing emotional narratives about her brother's personality changes following his return from the Vietnam War. In 2016, Ricky Ma, a designer from Hong Kong, devoted over a year and $50,000 to fulfill his childhood dream of constructing a life-sized humanoid robot named Mark I Robot. This remarkable female humanoid is built with a skeleton created through 3D printing, which forms about 70% of her body. With liquid eyes and the ability to display intricate facial expressions, such as eyebrow raises and wings, Mark I Robot is engineered to engage in realistic conversations. As of September 2023, Ma was already considering the development of Mark II, envisioning an evolution that would integrate ChatGPT technology, thereby enhancing the robot's conversational abilities and broadening its interactive potential. In October 2023, Jitendra Singh, the Union Minister of State for Space, announced the start of trials for the Gaganyaan missions by ISRO. He also revealed plans to launch Vyomitra, a female spacefaring humanoid robot, as part of the mission's second phase. Vyomitra, meaning space and friend in Sanskrit, debuted in 2021 during an event on human spaceflight. It can monitor module parameters, issue alerts, operate switch panels, interact with astronauts, and simulate human functions in space. Rashmi, the first Hindi-speaking humanoid robot developed by Ranjit Srivastava. Using linguistic interpretation, artificial intelligence, and facial recognition systems, Rashmi emulates human interaction. Apart from Hindi, Rashmi can also speak in English, Marathi, and Bhojpuri. Rashmi was developed over a period of nearly 2 years at a cost of about 50,000 rupees. In March 2024, the KTCT Higher Secondary School in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, witnessed the unveiling of Iris, the first AI humanoid robot designed for teaching in India. Developed by Makerlabs EduTech, Iris, adorned in a sari, has embarked on teaching duties in Kerala. Additionally, Iris is integrated into the 2021 Niti Aayog Project Atal Tinkering Lab, aimed at fostering extracurricular activities in schools. Shalu is the world's first homemade, artificially intelligent, multilingual, social, and educational humanoid robot. Constructed from recycled materials such as cardboard, wood, and aluminum, Shalu boasts proficiency in 47 languages, including 9 Indian and 38 foreign languages. The brainchild of Dinesh Kumar Patel, a computer science teacher at Kendriya Vidyalaya in Mumbai. Saya, a teacher robot created by Tokyo University of Science, can express human emotions, speak multiple languages, assign tasks, and manage attendance. Controlled remotely, Saya's lifelike features include rubber skin manipulated by motors, enabling her to display 6 emotions: surprise, fear, disgust, anger, happiness, and sadness. Originally a robot receptionist, Saya transitioned to teaching, recently conducting a lesson for 5th graders at Huto Elementary School in Tokyo. Professor Hiroshi Kobayashi, Saya's designer, emphasizes her role as a demonstration of technology's benefits rather than a replacement for human teachers. On 22 March 2024, Piyush Khanna, a forward-thinking 21-year-old hailing from KIET Group of Institutions in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, introduced Anushka, an innovative humanoid. Anushka represents a fusion of AI, computer vision, NLP, simulated heartbeat, and IoT autonomy. With over 50 hand gestures, 30 eye gestures, as well as jaw and neck movements, Anushka showcases a remarkable range of expressions and interactions. Capable of assuming roles such as a receptionist, healthcare assistant, or companion, Anushka embodies the vision of harmonious collaboration between humans and machines. Anushka's intelligence is grounded in Vedic principles such as Chitta, Manas, Ahankaram, and Buddhi, reflecting a holistic approach to artificial intelligence. On Teachers' Day 2019, the Early Childhood Development Agency collaborated with Ogilvy Singapore and Geometry Singapore to employ a social robot driven by artificial intelligence. This robot facilitated a class for a group of curious young children, interacting with them in a room filled with eager learners. A university in China's Jiangsu Prov uses a robot to teach. The robot can lecture and get feedback from students to adjust pace. Robotics team at JYU spent around 1 month designing robot named Xiome. It gives pre-programmed lessons and syncs with slides. It interacts verbally with students and they control teaching pace. Human teachers assist with additional info and guidance. Developed over a span of 3 years, Jia stands as China's inaugural humanoid robot, showcasing remarkable progress in robotics technology with its ability to engage in basic conversations, display facial expressions, and execute arm movements. Unveiled by a team of engineers at the University of Science and Technology of China, Jia represents a significant milestone in China's robotics landscape, marking the country's entrance into the realm of human-like robotic creations. In August 2023, Indus International School in Bangalore introduced the world's first robot teacher. Standing at 5 feet 7 inches, it teaches physics, math, and chemistry with remarkable accuracy. Students can command it for precise answers. Aida, the world's first ultra-realistic artist robot, utilizes cameras in her eyes, AI algorithms, and a robotic arm to create art. Debuting in February 2019, she presented her work at the University of Oxford's Unsecured Futures, encouraging viewers to reflect on our rapidly changing world. Since then, she has exhibited globally, including a virtual show at the United Nations. Aida has also addressed the impacts of new technologies at prestigious venues like the House of Lords and the Oxford Union. Her first museum exhibition took place in 2021 at the Design Museum, followed by a solo show at the Venice Biennale in 2022. Continuously challenging our perceptions of creativity, Aida's art sparks discussions about the responsible use of technology. A recent installation from Pro Robotics mimics a female clerk, aiding in legal certificate issuance and replacing registry office staff. Equipped with over 40 servo motors for lifelike expressions, microphones for speech recognition, a facial recognition camera, and a display screen for demonstrating tasks like document replication.